Hey, this is Susan with Voices for Learning, where we help you grow as a voice actor. Thanks so much for tuning in to my channel. This channel is all about helping beginning voice actors make money with their voice. And not just beginning, but intermediate, advanced as well, whatever level you're on. I typically put out content on Wednesdays about audiobooks and on Fridays about Fiverr. Today is Friday, so happy Fiverr Friday. I wanted to make a video about a particular quick response that I've been experimenting with and I've been getting really, really great results with. And this quick response has to do with when I get a tip. What do I say to my clients when I get a tip? So I'm going to show you that this is how you can earn repeat clients. This is how you can make more money with your voiceovers on Fiverr. So here we go. Okay, so here I am in Fiverr, and this particular client gave me a $25 tip. Now you may say, 25 bucks, that's not very much. But let's say that, like, you get a $25 tip, you get a $10 tip, you get another $10 tip. That's almost 50 bucks that you didn't count on. That's pretty darn good. So I've been experimenting with a little bit of like putting myself out there with my clients and in, letting them know how I'm using their tip, like where that money is going to. And I think I've been getting pretty good results because I've been seeing an uptick in repeat clients, like people coming back to me after they've found out where this money is going. So let me show you, for example, my quick response. We'll just go into this particular order. It's been closed. So I'm going to go scroll down all the way to the bottom, and I got a 5-star review. So I'm going to go to my inbox. And what I'll do is I'll just click on the little lightning bolt quick response icon. And this one I have titled, "Wow, thanks for my tip." Now, I do have another video that shows you how to make these quick responses. It's like right up in here. You can just kind of click on it to see that link, how to make the quick responses. It's really easy. But let's go ahead and look at that. Wow, thanks for my tip. So here's what it says. Wow, username, thank you so much for my tip. I really appreciate it. Now this is true. What I've written, typed in, is actually true. Our son is in college, and the goal is to get him through school debt-free. This really helps. Sincerely, Susan. Now, this is honest. It kind of puts me in a vulnerable position, but a lot of clients come back and say, "Oh, wow, how old is your son?" Or "What college does he go to?" Or, "What a great goal to have," because so many young adults these days are just drowning in student debt. And so this really is where the money is going. This is true. This is 100% true. And it kind of, shows a little bit who I am. I'm a mom. I got a kid in college. Next year, I'll be saying, our son and daughter are in college, and our goal is to get them through school debt-free, and this really helps. So I think that kind of putting yourself out there and being a little bit vulnerable and making a connection, a realistic connection between you and your clients is really important. This is a great way to do it. It's always just nice to know for your clients to know where their money is going, especially when they give you a tip. You could just be spending it on, stupid stuff. And for them to know that it actually is, going to promote another human being's life and welfare is really nice. And I think it makes my clients feel really good that they are helping me get my kids through school. So I'm sure you can come up with something that is just as honest and will allow you to, make a connection with your clients about where their tip money is going. But like I said, I've had some really great results with this, and I'm not lying. I'm not being sleazy. I'm being 100% honest. And I think it just really kind of puts me in a position where they want to work with me, and it just gives them that little bit more of a relationship with me. A lot of them have come back and asked me about, my kids, like, 100 orders from now, they'll ask me about my kids, how everyone's doing, and, did they make good grades? And of course I can say, yes, they make great grades, which is true as well. So use this. I think it will help you make more money on Fiverr. That's the goal. And thanks so much for watching. In the description, I've got a great Fiverr online course for you to take. It's done by my friend Anthony. I took it myself and I got my ROI like that. And the rest is history. So that online course, how to make $20,000 on Fiverr, how to make 20K on Fiverr, is in the description. Check it out. Thanks so much for watching. Can't wait to see you next time. Keep going. Take care. Bye.